everyone. So my name is Ayush and I'm 28. And मेरे को actually 25 when I turned 25 I started noticing कि मेरे hairs were going right, मेरे hairs जा रहे थे. And 3 साल में like a gap of 3 years बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया hair fall and obviously अब as you can see कि hairline भी fade होने लगी थी. So then I came to know about Hairlogics, right? And via net, obviously, internet, Google किया, and I came to know about Hairlogics. And also I saw the results. मैंने reviews देखे बहुत अच्छे थे, तो थोड़ा सा confidence जगा कि यार transplant करा लेना चाहिए. But still बहुत nervous था क्योंकि मेरी family में किसी ने नहीं कराया और ना मेरे known में किसी ने कभी भी hair transplant कराया. Then I talked to Dr. Vanna and it was such a comfortable experience. उन्होंने मुझे पूरा procedure explain किया, मुझे बताया कि कैसे how things work in the hair transplant and everything. And उन्होंने they made me gain confidence कि हाँ I should go for it. And so I'm here now and hoping for the best.